Hello students, today we will study about covalent bond. So what are covalent bonds? The bonds formed by sharing of electrons are called covalent bonds. So here look, sharing of electrons. It means that the atoms which are involved in bond formation, each and every atom should share their electrons. Now taking example of chlorine gas, Cl2. Now let us see that how Cl2 molecule is formed. So we have two chlorine atom and atomic number of chlorine is 17, and if I write the electronic configuration of both of them, then in first shell chlorine is having 2 electron, in second shell it is having 8 electron, and in third shell it is having 7 electron. So this is the electronic configuration for chlorine atom. Now, as we know that to become stable, each atom wants 8 electrons in its outermost shell. But both of them are having 7 electrons, which means that both chlorine atom need one more electron to complete their octet or to complete their valence shell. So how can this be done? Because none of them is going to lose their electron, both need one extra electron, so none of them is going to lose their electron. So here, if I draw the valence electrons of the chlorine, so chlorine is having 7 valence electrons. The second chlorine atom, it is also having 7 valence electrons. Now, both of them wants one more electron to complete their octet, to become stable. So if this chlorine is going to give its one electron, then this will have 8 electrons, it will become stable. But now the first chlorine is only having 6 electrons. It means that first chlorine is not going to lose its one electron. If second chlorine gives its one electron to the first one, it will have 8 electron, but now the second one will have only 6 electron. So again this is not possible because both of them wants to become stable. Now the only way out for both of them is to share their valence electron. So they will overlap their outermost shell with each other. Now first chlorine will share its one electron. How many electrons are remaining with it? 6. Now second chlorine, it will also give it one electron to the first chlorine, so 6 electrons are remaining with the second one also. Now both the chlorine atom have shared their 1 electrons and 6 electrons are remaining with them. So overall the first chlorine atom is having 6 plus 2 8 electron, and the second one is also having 6 plus 2 8 electron. Both of them have become stable and one pair of electron is being shared between them, so it is represented by a single bond. So in this way we see that a chlorine molecule is formed by sharing of electron. So we can see that both the chlorine atom, they are sharing their electron, and such a bond which is formed by sharing of electron is called covalent bond. Now taking one more example for this, let us take the example of oxygen. Oxygen gas. Now we know that oxygen is very important for us. Without oxygen we cannot survive. How is this oxygen gas formed? How is O2 molecule formed? Let us see that. Now, oxygen atom which is having atomic number 8. So electronic configuration for this is 2 in first shell, 6 in next shell. 2 in first shell, 6 in next shell. So both of them are having 6 electrons in their outermost shell, which means that both the chlorine atom need 2 more electrons to complete their last shell. Both of them needs 2 electrons. It means that they will not lose their electron. So here also sharing of electron will take place. Now 2 electrons are needed by both of them. So they will share 2 electrons. First oxygen atom having 6 valence electron. Second oxygen atom, it is also having 6 valence electron. Second oxygen atom needs 2 electron from the first one. Similarly, first oxygen atom needs 2 electron from the second one. So when they will overlap, they both need 2 electrons. So first oxygen will donate its 2 electron into the shared region. It means 4 electrons are remaining with it. The second oxygen atom, it will also share its 2 electron with the first oxygen atom. Now 4 electrons are remaining with it. So here now 4 plus 4, 8 electrons are with the first oxygen atom, and 4 plus 4, 8 electrons are with the second oxygen atom. So both the oxygen atom are having 8 electrons in the valence shell. It means both of them have now become stable. As I told you that one pair of electron is shown by a single line. So here we have 2 pair of shared electrons. So we will have a double bond between them. So this is how oxygen molecule is formed. Similarly, you can try for nitrogen also. N2. I will just give you one hint that nitrogen is having electronic configuration 2 5 2 5, having atomic number 7. So both of them are having 5 electrons. It means that both of them needs 3 electrons to complete their outermost shell. So here they will share 3 electrons between them. A triple bond will be formed. So try this. Hope this is clear to you.